Hello everyone, today we are going to take our homework. We are learning the vocabulary of the family and we are learning the possessive nouns too. So, what's the homework? The homework is about a family tree and there are some sentences that you have to complete. Looking at the family tree. First of all, there is an example and it says that Davis is Paul's son. In this example says that, let me see. It says that David is Paul's son. It's okay, of course. Let me see. You have to look at the relationship between these people. Now, John is Kathy's. Let me see. John is Kathy's. Of course, John is Kathy's father. Kathy is Paul's. Look at them. Kathy is Paul's wife. Josh, David, and Emily are... Okay, Josh, David, and Emily, they are Paul and Kathy's children. Emily is Josh. Let me see. Emily is Josh's sister. And Josh is David's brother. That's the relationship between the children. John and Catherine are, okay, John and Catherine are Kathy's parents. Katie is Josh. Katie is Josh, of course, mother. John is Catherine. John is Catherine's husband. Emily is Kathy's. Emily is Kathy's daughter. Catherine is Davis. Let me see. Catherine is Davis, of course, grandmother. John is Emily's. Let me see. John is Emily's grandfather. Susan is Davis. Susan here is Davis' aunt. And Bill is Josh. Bill is Josh, Emily, and David's cousin. Robert is Emily's. Let me see. Robert is Emily, David, and Josh's uncle. And that's our homework. We have to see the relationship between these family. So thank you very much.